And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm here to show you how to make meatloaf. So today we're making meatloaf, and we have a 1¼ pound of ground beef. We have 1 egg. We have a ½ cup of breadcrumbs that is soaked in milk. We have 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. We have 1 tablespoon of salt. We have 1½ tablespoons of paprika. We have a tablespoon of black pepper. We have 1 teaspoon of sage, ground sage. We have 1 teaspoon of tarragon. We have 1 tablespoon of garlic. I have 1 small onion that's chopped small, and I have 2 celery sticks that are chopped up as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook our garlic, onion, and celery before we add it to our ground beef. So let's get started. Okay, we're heating up our pan. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil. And so we are going to add our garlic. Our onion. And our celery. Okay, the onions are opaque. So this is where you want to add the spices. So I'm going to add the sage, the tarragon, also the paprika. We're basically toasting our spices. Add our black pepper. So this is going to wake up the spices. Alrighty. Now let's add it to the meat. So we have our ground beef right here. Now we want to add our breadcrumbs. Our breadcrumbs were soaked in milk, and that's a little chef secret that I learned. Want to add our egg. So when you soak the breadcrumbs in milk, it's going to keep it from drying out as fast. Also, you want to add your Worcestershire sauce, your salt, and then our vegetables. Now, let's get our hands working. Forgot a little bit of parsley. There we go. Now, what I like to do is to go around in a circle and then push down to mix. So you scrape it off this side, then push down, and that's how you can mix the meatloaf. You get it evenly mixed. Alrighty, we're there. So I'm gonna take our treat tray. I like to have parchment on it, and also I like to spray it so it comes off the pan a little bit easier. Okay, now let's add our meatloaf. So now this is how I like to form it. Usually push on the sides, push in the center, push down. So you get one nice even loaf. It's almost like you're playing with clay, but it's your food. So we have it pretty much in a shape that I like. And now we're going to cook it off in our oven I have our oven already preset at 325. We're going to cook it off for at least 25 to 30 minutes or until the internal temperature of the meatloaf is going to be at 165, and then I'll be ready. Okay, it's been 15 minutes in the cooking of our meatloaf, and now we're going to take it out and add our ketchup for a glaze on top. Take a brush. So you don't want to put too much ketchup on, just enough for a glaze. Like so. Now, let's put it back in our oven. So we're going to cook it until the internal temp is at 165. Okay, so we pulled our meatloaf out of the oven. We let it rest for about 15 minutes. So we're gonna take it off and put it on our cutting board and let's cut it up. Hand plate. So oh, this came out beautiful. Okay, so we have our meatloaf right there. I'll just plate real quick. To plate, we're going to take mashed potatoes, put a dollop right here, like so. Now a little chef trick is you push down and pull. Now, take the gravy. Now go across sideways. Like so. Now take our meatloaf. Now stack it. 1. Now 2. And 3. Like so. And there we have it. We have our meatloaf. Let's dig in. That's a good meatloaf. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Thank you.